Mulayam Singh Yadav is now playing the upper caste card. It remains to be seen whether that will play to any political dividends or get any political advantage for him. But he's also at the same time trying to strike a balance between the Muslim vote base, which has been traditionally loyal to him. Let's take a look at this report as to how Mulayam Singh Yadav is trying to arrive at the right caste and religion arithmetic. Gripped by the Modi fear factor, Mulayam Singh did something he has never done before. His latest poll gambit, a separate caste commission for the upper castes. Mulayam realizes that no election can be won by isolating the upper castes, which explains the presence of a whopping 21 ministers in his son's cabinet. The UP's caste pie has more than 30% upper castes, which includes 16% Brahmins, 7.5% Thakurs, 5% Baniyas and 3.5% Kayasths. And making sure that the Samajwadi Party gets its share is Cabinet Minister Manoj Pandey. A Brahmin face, he has addressed 21 caste rallies masked as intellectual gatherings to hard sell Mulayam.
और तब नेताजी ने जब नैसर्गिक न्याय का सवाल खड़ा हुआ तो आपके साथ खड़े हुए और मैं समझता हूं कि देश की जो बड़ी 5 घटनाएं हैं उसमें नेताजी ने प्रोन्नति आरक्षण की लड़ाई लड़ करके आपको न्याय दिया। जीवन भर हमें इसे भूलना नहीं चाहिए सर।
The BJP suggests that Mulayam is also behaving like a political wannabe and the party has caste-specific goodies in their manifesto.
50% आरक्षण सामाजिक आधार पर है, आर्थिक और सामाजिक आधार पर, लेकिन एक जो बात है कि इसके अलावा तो हमारे भी जरा मैनिफेस्टो आने की इंतजार कीजिए.
But Mulayam is also mindful about the fact that luring upper castes should not come at the cost of losing Muslim votes. He is personally counting on them to pull off a win in his Muslim-dominated seat of Azamgarh. So in the manifesto, Muslims have been promised population-based reservations and the controversial commitment of releasing innocent Muslim youth allegedly framed in terror cases. Something that resonates with Mulayam's own constituency Azamgarh, from where the maximum number of terror arrests have been made. Every political party is trying to tweak their caste equations and Mulayam Singh is no exception. Through his manifesto, he has chosen to walk the tightrope and attempt to balance both caste and religious considerations. With camera person Ramesh Verma in Lucknow, this is Anand Zanane for NDTV.